Faisalabad staff reporter on the occasion of the reinstatement of Patras Masih, the president of Wasa CBA Mian Maqsood and the union chairman Khalid Masih held a special discussion with the CEO of Act News Dr. Faisalabad. During the conversation, they reaffirmed their commitment to the protection of labor rights. They stated, "We will never allow anyone to infringe upon the rights of workers. As long as we hold these positions, we will continue to defend the dignity and due rights of every laborer." They added that the reinstatement of Patras Masih is a clear example of CBA's unwavering stance in supporting workers and resisting any form of injustice or discriminatory action. Expressed deep gratitude to Patras Masih, the union leadership, for their consistent support, stating that the efforts of CBA union have once again proven that the union always stands firmly with its workers and never leaves them alone in times of difficulty.